This video is going to talk to you about how to play the game 24. 24 is a really cool math game where you're given 4 numbers and the goal is to reach the number 24 by using the 4 numbers that you're given and any operation that you can: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. It's meant to be a game that makes you think and has you puzzle things out, so it's not meant to be something that you get right away. It's meant to be something that you have to work for and you have to think through. So don't be afraid to try things, see where you go, and then kind of have to restart every once in a while. That is absolutely okay. You might even find some solutions that I haven't found, because these cards can be solved multiple ways, at least many of them can. So there may be different paths to get the same number. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the first one that we have on the screen. We have the numbers 6, 2, 3, and 3. And what we want to do with 6, 2, 3, and 3 is we want to reach the number 24. So let's go, it's always going to be 24. So let's go ahead and let's see what we can do here. Let's try taking, we have 6, 2. Let's try doing 6 minus 2. Let's try turning on the pen. Let's try doing 6 minus 2. We're going to get 4. How can I reach 24 by using the number 4? Well, I can multiply times 6, but I don't have a 6. I've already used the 6, and I've already used the 2. All I've got are 3's left. I could add up those 3's. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 times 6, or 6 times 4, is 24. And that is one solution to 24. Now, it is entirely possible that you might have found another solution. For example, you might have tried, I'd rather use red, you might have tried taking 6 times 3. 6 times 3 equals 18, so you've used the 6 and the 3 at this point. And then, well, how do you get to 24 from 18? You could add 6, but how do we get 6 out of, we can multiply. 2 times 3 equals 6. You might have gotten it that way. There's probably another way to get that I haven't shown you on here because I wanted to make sure there's enough time in the video for you to do something else. What I want you to do right now is I want you to try this puzzle. This puzzle has a number 9 in it, and the number 9 has that red thing in the middle. You can also see the number 9 by looking at the card. Oh, let me make sure this is in focus. By looking at the card, and you see how when you look at the number 3, when you hold up the card like this, all the numbers look right. All of the bases of the numbers are this box. It would be so much easier if you could hold the card and do this, but, well, since we're virtual, see how the top of the number is at the top of the card? So you need to know red dot means 9, everything else is a 6, or, whatever other number happens to be there. So we have 9, 3, 6, and 6. Well, let's try taking, you know what, I'm going to let you go ahead and try this. Go ahead, pause the video, give this a shot, and come back when you're ready. Welcome back! Now that you've had a shot at this, let's take a look. Let's try, oh my, I'm on the wrong screen. We're not trying anything. Let's try 9 times 3 equals 27. Well, I have 27. I've used up the 9 and the 3, which means I have 2 6's left. I'm not sure how to get to 24 from that, so let's try something else. Let's try 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12, and I still have 2 6's left. 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 plus 12 is 24. You know what? I forgot to draw a smiley face over here. I'd hate for it to feel deprived. So, now I have 24. There may be another solution that you found. I'm not going to get to it in this video, but if you found a different one than I did, good for you. If you found the same one that I did, excellent, good job. If you didn't find a solution, but you still tried, I'm very proud of you. Keep that up, because it's that perseverance and that sticking with it that's going to help you, not only in this game, but also in life. That's important. Now, the problems that we've tried in the past have been one dot. You can see that there's one dot in each corner. The next problem that we're going to try has 2 dots. This is actually stepping up the challenge a little bit. The game goes all the way up to 3 dots, but we're not going to do a 3 dot in this video, so I'm just going to put that off to the side. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at 7, 2, 1, 3. Go ahead, pause the video, see what you can do with this, come back when you're ready. I'll wait. Welcome back! Now that you're back, let's go ahead and take a look at how one of the ways that we can get 24. So, 24 is a big number and there's a lot of little numbers here. So I need to get as close as I can. Let's try multiplying. Let's try taking that 7 and multiplying 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Let's take the 3 and the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. I don't know how to get 24 out of that. What about 3 minus 1? That's 2. Could I do 14 times 2? No, that's 28. That's not going to work. Let's try 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Then I still have the 2 and the 1. I could add 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 21 plus 3 is 24. That may be the way you got it. Maybe you found a different way. Maybe you were still working it out, but you also wanted to watch the other cool videos that I have. Any of those ways is okay. Just make sure you don't give up on yourself. I look forward to seeing you in class later.